Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new episode of What's Cooking with Chef Suraj. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare a vegetable omelette. So the difference is that I'll show you how they prepare it at the 5-star properties, which is a folded version. In that I'll be showing you two variations. The one is a regular folded omelette and one I'll show you in a different variation where you can make it easily. So today I'll be showing you how to make a folded omelette the exact same way how they prepare in the 5-star hotels. So we'd be requiring silicone spatula, non-stick omelette pan which is of this size, heat our pan, make sure it is hot enough. So meanwhile we'll take a mixing bowl and a whisk. So we'll break our eggs. Make sure that no shell goes in. Now let's whisk it up. So we will not be using any salt today in our preparation. So let's add our vegetables to it. We'll add some bell peppers, some tomatoes, some onions, some coriander, some spinach, and we'll chop up some green chilies. We'll add the green chili to our omelette. That's enough. Now we add our mushrooms. Make sure your mushrooms are thinly sliced. If it is not thinly sliced, it will take a lot of time to cook. Since we are not sauteing our vegetables prior to making the omelette, and you make sure that you do not whisk it now. Just mix it. That's enough. Yeah. Now let's pour in our eggs into the pan. So that now our pan is hot. Let's add some oil. You can even add some butter if you wish to. I'm adding olive oil for the health benefits of it. But in case you want to skip, you can directly skip it since it's a non-stick pan. So as you can see, there's a smoking point. Now let's add the eggs. So once you add it, you need to shake it really well. You need to just toss it along the sides. So this is how we prepare it in our 5-star properties. So you take it to a corner and you slowly just tilt it onto the side. And eggs are very delicate, so you need to handle them carefully. So again, just a small toss. So as you see, it is cooking really well. And these eggs turn out to be creamy. That's done. It's completely sealed from all the sides. So that's our omelette. Let's take it out into a plate. Just carefully using a spatula, we support it and take it into a plate. So that's how you make a folded omelette. Let's add on some accompaniments, the classic accompaniments, which are the grilled tomatoes and 2 hash browns. If you want, you can add some parmesan on the top. So this is how you prepare an omelette at a 5-star property. So this method what I have shown to you is a bit difficult. You need to practice it a lot to get perfection. But I'll be showing you another fold where you can do it easily at your place. You'll be getting it in the same shape, but the fold will be a bit different. So let's begin with that. So let's put this to a side. Again, we use the same pan. So again, we break 3 eggs. We whisk our eggs just to break the egg yolk. Every time while making an omelette, you need to make sure the pan is really hot or else it will stick to the pan. That's enough. Let's add all our vegetables in little quantity. Make sure your vegetables also are again thinly chopped. Some coriander, some spinach, and some tomatoes and some mushroom. You can also saute the vegetables before cooking the omelette. So that's it. You just mix it, and if you want to add some salt and pepper, you can definitely add. Now let's start with our omelette. Add some oil. So let's wait till our oil gets heated. The other interesting fact that in earlier days, chef used to wear chef caps depending on the number of egg preparation one knows. So the folds you see on a chef cap represent how many egg preparation does a chef know. Yeah, our oil is hot. Let's add in our omelette and our egg. So let's just move it around. You always need to mix your omelette. So once it has come to this stage, you can just slowly turn it around. Make sure you coat it at this part. Now we add some cheese. You can add any kind of cheese. I'm adding some parmesan. So simply what we do at this consistency, we make one fold over here, another fold onto the other side. We just fold it, take it further, and we start folding it. So you can see it is in the shape of a triangle. Now what we do, we simply remove the remaining egg and we fold it. So this is an easier technique compared to the one I have shown earlier. Now you just need to toss the egg and just move it onto the other side. So that's how you make an folded omelette in an easier style, in an easier way. You cook it, and if you want to rotate it, you can still rotate, or you can directly plate it. Again, using a spatula, you need to support it and just slide it on to the plate. So again, we have some more grilled tomatoes and some hash brown. Always goes with an omelette. It's a classical accompaniment. Other than that, you can add some mushrooms. So that's how you prepare an omelette. As you see the difference, there's a lot of difference. But this is an easier way of preparing a folded omelette, and this is a bit difficult. So by practice, it becomes easy. So that's how I learned, and that's how to make a vegetable omelette.